Hello दोस्तों, today we are going to make a new project that is twinkling stars in the sky. Now, for that purpose you have to click on this home icon. Then after that this my project window will be open here. You have to click on this plus sign for making new project. Okay, then after that this window will be open. This is our stage. What is our first step? You have to delete this character first. You have to hold your left click on it, then it will checking with the cross sign. You just simply click on cross sign, then it is going to be deleted from our stage. Second step is you have to add background. You have to simply click on this icon, then it will shows you different ready background. Suppose I am taking this background here. Simply click on correct it, then it is going to be inserted on our stage. Our third step is you have to add characters here. Then you have to click on left side plus icon for adding new character. It will shows you here ready characters. You can take stars from this. Suppose I am taking this star, then you have to click on correct tick. Multiple star you may take here. Again I want to take stars. Again you have to click on plus sign, then after that scroll your mouse, then you have to select here stars. Suppose I am taking this one and click on correct tick. Again I am adding another star. Same process you have to follow. Now you have 6 star. Now our fourth step is you have to add script for each and every star. Then you have to select here first star first. Then you have to put here script in script area. Go to the triggering block category. Then take green flag. Then after that go to the look block. Grow in size. Then shrink in size. Then after that control block category में जाना है. Take this. Now you have to repeat this for 10 times. Suppose I am repeating these things for 10 times. Grow in size यहाँ पे मैं कर देती हूँ 3. Then again 3. Okay. Now you have to go on end block category. Then take end block here. Now this is done for 1 star. You have to put same script for each star. Then go on next star. दूसरे स्टार पे जाना है. Same you have to go on triggering block category, take a green flag. Then after that look block, grow in size, shrink in size for 3 and again 3. Then after that control block, make it this repetition repeat block for 10 times. Then go on end block. Then you have to put this end block here. Again go to the next star, triggering block, then take a green flag click, then go on look block, grow in size, shrink in size, make it here 3 and 3. Then after that go on control block, take this here, then you have to put here 10. Then go on end block category, put here end block. Again you have to move on next star, triggering block category. When green flag is clicked, look block category, then move grow in size, shrink in size, put here 3. Then after that control block category, make a repeat block here for 10 times. Then after that put here end block. Now see all stars are done now. Now after this you have to simply click on this green flag for making this script run. Just check the stars. Okay, observe the stars. Now see they are blinking now. For 10 times it is going to be repeating. But if I want to make these stars in a colorful, okay, like rainbow colors, so how can we make this? For that purpose you have to go on left hand side, then select the first star, then click on this paint editor window. Then you have to take here fill tool पे जाना है. Then you can select any color from here. Then I'm just selecting this color. Okay, then select second star, go to paint editor window. I'm taking here suppose this color. Okay, again I have to change. Okay, fine. Now only this much color I want. You have to simply click on this green flag. Now see it is blinking like with different colors. Now you can add your own voice too. For that purpose you have to go on sound block पे जाना है. तो आपको क्या करना है, record sound पे जाना है. Then this window will be open. Again you can play some music there. Okay, I have piano, then I will do that. Okay, fine, I'm recording this. You have to click on this play option. Now I had done this. You have to simply click on this stop button. Click on correct tick, then it is automatically going to be placed on this sound block category. You see, for adding this recording, you have to go on triggering block पे जाना है. Then take this green flag is clicked. Then the sound block category. Then take this sound, recorded sound here. Now let us check now. Now it is better. You can see on this full screen. It is blinking now. अगर ऐसी और वीडियोस के बारे में जानना है तो जस्ट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.